This week I am testing the fully electric Peugeot e-2008. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive, and don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. The child seat section of this review is brought to you by Infosecure. In the back of the Peugeot e-2008 there are Isofix in the two outer rear seats. They're not within plastic guides, they're behind beautiful little concealed zips in the seat leather. And they're nice and easy to connect to. There are top tether anchorages on the back of all three rear seat backs, and they're easily accessible through the boot. Now I could fit two Infosecure child seats nicely in the back here. I have got the Infosecure Adapt More rear-facing infant capsule behind the driver, and on the other side the Infosecure Achieve More forward-facing. We found with this rear-facing capsule we could fit a 182cm driver in front of it. To learn more about the child seats used in this video, just click on the link here. There are no air vents in the back of the e-2008, so it's quite tricky to keep little ones the right temperature while you're driving along. There are two USB sockets in the back of the central console box, so you can charge kids' devices while you're driving along. Storage in the back of the e-2008 is very minimal. There are no cup holders in the back here. There are small net mat pockets on the back of both front seats that will hold but not conceal an iPad. And the doors bins in the back are a good size. They'll hold a refillable water bottle, and there's the little handle storage wells too. Storage in the front of the e-2008 is better. There are two cup holders in the central console. They will hold a reusable or a disposable coffee cup. In front of them is a phone well, and above that is another one with a cover. You could also put sunglasses in there to keep them out of sight too. There's a 12-volt socket in this area and a USB and USB-C socket. The central console box is behind the cup holders, and that is quite small, but it is quite deep. The glove box is small in the front here. That would just hold the manual in there. I couldn't get my wallet or iPad. The door bins in the front are big. I could fit a refillable water bottle in them, and an iPad fits as well. The media system in the Peugeot e-2008 is lovely and modern and easy to navigate, using the paddles below the media screen to switch between the screens. It has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can easily access your phone and apps while driving. There's built-in sat-nav, and you can control the climate through the screen too. Within the driving function settings, you can customise things to your liking, including turning the parking sensors on and off when you park. The reversing cameras are nice and clear, just a little small on the screen. The boot door of the e-2008 opens manually and closes that way too. Now the boot floor of the e-2008 can be taken out and drops down about 10 centimetres, or you can leave that layer in and you can use the space underneath for your charging wires or to hide belongings away. You can also turn that boot floor over, and you've got a plastic top rather than the nice carpet. Let's find out how much we can fit in the boot. Empty, it will fit 10 shopping bags, or a twin pram and 2 shopping bags, a compact stroller and 7 shopping bags, or a medium-sized dog. Our friends at Infogroup have also provided us with their new Jiffle Wagon, which is a versatile 6-in-1 pram. Let's also see how well it fits in various configurations. The Jiffle Wagon cart fits with 2 shopping bags, and the Jiffle Wagon holds up to 60 kilos of cargo inside the wagon too. The Jiffle Wagon with its seat fits with 2 shopping bags. The Jiffle Wagon with the Adapt More infant capsule installed in the car fits with 2 shopping bags. And the Jiffle Wagon with bassinet fits with 2 shopping bags. Thanks again to Infogroup for letting us test the new Jiffle Wagon. The e-2008 is a fantastic little electric car to drive. It does about 328 kilometres to a full battery charge, which is a decent amount for us for our daily commutes and school drop-offs, and then we just charge it at home. Now this is so much fun to drive. It's really fast and nippy. The steering is incredibly light, and the steering wheel in Peugeots, they're really nice. They're really small, slightly different shape and lower down driving position. So it's got a lovely relaxed position for your arms while you're driving. Now visibility is excellent in here too. Even with the 2 child seats in the back, I can see easily out of the back and the side windows. The turning circle is really good, and being a small car as well, it's lovely for around town, school drop-offs and car parks and things like that. So to sum up with the E2008, it does make a great baby drive. We have loved driving it with our family of 4 this week. You can fit the 2 InfoSecure child seats nicely in the back. Legroom is good, fitting a 182 centimetre driver in front of that rear-facing InfoSecure Adapt More capsule. You can fit the Jiffle wagon in the boot, or a good-sized shop or a scooter, and the drive is fantastic in this. I absolutely love it, and the fact that it's fully electric, you're not polluting the world, and you can drive with your little one asleep or sit while they're sleeping without churning through fuel. And the media system and cameras are good.